Hi guys, today I'm going to try something new. I have not made this shake before. I have avocado, I have almond milk, and spinach, and some yogurt. Let's combine all these together and make avocado spinach shake. Almond milk, to measure it first, I want 300 milliliters. I'll put some Greek yogurt, 2 tablespoons. You can put more if you want more flavor or more creamy. A handful of this spinach in here. And I'm going to put 2 avocado because I have quite a bit of avocado that I need to get rid of. Okay, that's one. One more. Here, so there's a lot of avocado. And that is it. Oh wow, it's really thick. 2 avocados. Look how thick it is. Avocado spinach shake. Wow, it's pretty good. Combination of almond milk, spinach, Greek yogurt, and avocado. Really creamy.
So gross.
It's really thick that it's really hard to drink it. You may have to use a spoon.